based on metallurgy. Digging deep in the mining zone, iron veins and copper stone, fire furnaces blazing bright, turning ore to metal light. Hammer falls and rhythm sound, shaping strength from underground. Heat and carbon, science, art, metallurgy's the industrial heart. From blacksmith flames of history to nanotech chemistry, ancient skill meets modern theory. Metal right, human victory. Yeah, melt it, cast it, roll it, bless. Engineering at its best. Alloy mix, design the grade. Future tech is forged, not made. Steel so strong, titanium light. Aircraft flying day and night. Rocking frames in cosmic sky. Metallurgy makes humans fly. I love metallurgy, metallurgy. Yes, I love metallurgy. From the earth to industry, all are based on metallurgy. Buildings high and bridges free, standing strong by metallurgy. House buildings touching the sky, metal beams rising high. Concrete stands but steel inside, gives the structure strength and pride. Statue of Liberty, bold and grand, copper crafted by human hand. Weathered green yet standing free, symbol shaped by metallurgy. Not roads and bridges, miles long, metal flames keep them strong. Railway tracks that never sleep, metal paths the nation's key. Will the joints spark the light? Fabrication shining bright, cutting, bending, CNC precision born in metallurgy. From microchip to factory line, metal makes the circuit shine. AI robot automation aid, metal writes the future page. I love metallurgy, metallurgy, power of metallurgy. Nation's growth economy, all are based on metallurgy. Arms and tools for safety made, kitchen knives to soldier blade. Utility checks the design, strength with balance engineered fine. Medical steel in surgery rooms, saving lives in silent blooms. Implants, instruments shining clean, metal works behind the scene. Energy blends in turbine spin, nail seals of fire within. Windmill towers, solar frames, green world runs on metal chain. Forge it, quench it, tap of the brain. Heat treatment, science in every chain. Hardness, toughness, test the core. Metallurgy opens every door. Metal brains in crystal phase, future labs in research place. From atoms small to structures tall, metallurgy connects it all. From village tools to city lights, from farmer plows to satellite flights. Human progress you will see,